Introducing the Arenti V-Bell 1 2K wire-free video doorbell, powered by batteries with up to 6 months standby time. No wire or cable needed, super easy to install in less than 3 steps. Thanks to our special weatherproof design, V-Bell can stand any weather conditions and guard your home at all times. The motion detection feature will alert you when doorbell detects motion and sends a notification to your phone.
Hello, I have a package for you.
Please, leave the package at the front door.
Okay.
V-Bell will also automatically start recording upon motion detected, while sending a notification to your phone at the same time.
Hey there, how can I help you?
And you can watch the playback at any time with our up to 60 seconds long event video record, which is 50% longer than most other products on the market. In the evening, when your hands are busy, simply ask Alexa Echo Show to help you check with the cameras.
Echo, show me the front door.
No need to yell anymore when you come home with keys forgotten. And privacy mode automatically turns on when you're back home. Arenti Optics, the Red Dot and IF Design Awards winner 2021.